From 2019 to 2025, Java has dropped its popularity from 41% to 29%, according to Stack Overflow Survey. We cannot rely on one survey alone, right? So you are currently looking at a TIOBE Index. In 2019, Java was at the top of this index, while after 6 years, it slid down to 4th place with a rating of 8%, almost half compared to 2019. There are several reasons why popularity is dropping. One of them is Kotlin. It's the year 2017. Google shocked the developer community with the introduction of Kotlin for Android development. Officially, Kotlin was introduced in 2017, but the true rise was seen after 2019 because that was the time Google has started promoting Kotlin as a preferred language for Android development. Not only Android development, but also a huge number of developers have started using Kotlin with Spring Boot, like big Java projects. So Kotlin was replacing Java. And in recent years, Kotlin has gained some good popularity. It's obvious because one language adopted by Google, AWS, Uber, and Netflix, like big giants, is going to get some fame. But one thing to note here is that Java was already in use by these companies. So why are they switching? First thing is, Kotlin has features like data classes, extension functions, smart casting, etc., which reduce the lines of code needed and repetitive patterns. And one more thing with Java is, you need a Pro Max ultra-wide monitor if you want to code in Java. Those error messages are not going to fit on your laptop screen. One interesting thing is that despite this low usage of Java, the number of updates and commits are increasing in different Java projects. But the issue here is that all of the new updates and commits are mostly bug fixes or minor changes. Number of new features released are very few. Despite these facts, some people still don't see that Java is slowly going down. They say Java is not alone, all the languages are losing popularity, but I want to say Python has gone from 41% to 57% in popularity in the same time frame when Java dropped from 41% to 29%. But you may say it's because of AI. Then we have TypeScript from 21% to 41%. Then you may say it is not in the same domain. So we have Golang, which has doubled its popularity in the same time frame of 6 years. And Golang has started replacing Java as well in fields like microservices, cloud-native infrastructure, and backend usage. I know Java has a bigger, more mature ecosystem due to being around since the 90s. What I believe is that Java frameworks are so large and complex that you have to adapt to those 20 years old deprecated classes. While Go's standard library is good enough to provide you the stage, on top of that, you can build a system according to your choice and according to your way. I know Go has a learning curve and you have to spend some time, but Java has a never-ending learning curve. It's not Java alone, but Oracle is also one of the hidden reasons behind Java's dip. Oracle owns Java, but they are so busy monetizing it, they forgot to change the Java website since 2010. Look at this. Last week, there was a competition for the ugliest website development, and I won the second prize with Java's website. I have just submitted the original domain and still won. The first prize was given to one vibe coder who was coding without the internet.